Hey guys, so today we're going to play some ice fishing simulator. Let's do this. Alright, we're getting out of this one. Alright, here we are. With the campfire on. Let's get fishing, mate. Oh. It's very easy because I have the emerald line. If I get the comment, I'm going to be super mad. A tubie? Also guys, I want to show you all the fish that I have in my fish index. 64 out of 67. I have all the commons. I did not know that. I have all these, all this, all this, that. I just need these 3. And yes, I have all the mythics in this game. This is my smallest. Out of my mythics, I think. Yeah. And Orchard has Dead Fin Ravager and a Void Fanged Heron. This is the first mythic that I got. Then, did I press a button to make it do that? Oh my god, I didn't know. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Alright, let's start fishing again. Let's see what we catch. Wait, that's not my new personal best. About catching two. Hold on, wait a minute. That big of a tool? Okay, you now have to put the fish eye right in my face. Really, very rude. I'm sure just letting it get out. What? That's cap. Oh, this one's different. What? I did not know I could do that. Okay, yeah, that's nice. I used to never play this game because I thought you had to spam click. But I realized now you have to hold it. Usually I spam click. Okay. Oh yeah, we good. Good, mate. I haven't caught one of those things in so long. I catch more sharks than that. What the heck? No way that was both in, bro. Let me go to the shop and see if I can buy anything. Alright, let's see. Hello, good sir. Reels. Alright, I don't know which one I have equipped right now. I think I have that one. Hold up. Wait a minute. I have this, the green jig. Yeah. Bro. Whoa! Hey! Hey! Why is everything so expensive again? Okay, guys. If you're new, you don't know this, but it's log time. Log time. Yes. Yes, perfect. Okay, I don't know how much logs I spawned, but those are probably a lot. I could just chop them down, but you know, who cares when you have so much money? Okay, I kind of sound like I'm bragging right now. Sorry. Alright, I have no idea if I just filled up all these campfires. Ow! Okay, I cannot touch a single one. Yep. And then boom. Perfect! Yeah, this is That's another common. What the hell? What are you? What the heck is that Atlantic bone toe? What? Also, guys, I realized our automatic fishers, if you catch something, it will they catch something, no, what? If they catch something, then it doesn't count. Like I could win. Giant thing like that. Oh my god, I do not have time right now. I'm recording a video. Hey, I am recording a video. Hey, I am recording video. We do not have time, Lucy. Lucy, don't come over here. I think I already know he's gonna ask me. Okay, Lucy, stop going 0.1 miles per hour. Me making video. Me making video. Yeah, I'm making video. Yeah. Luthi, I do not have time for this. I am making a video. Luthi, I said I am making a video. I do not have time. I can go through him? No, now I won. What? Okay, that was weird. That was super weird. I don't know why I just left. That was weird. Alright, well, let's get back to fishing. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, I caught a flounder. Whoa. Yippee! Someone. Yeah, I'm taking damage. Taking damage. Damn. Yay, I caught. Whoa, that's like that. Okay. You know. Thanks. Alright. I mean, yeah. Hold on, guys. Why? Why? Oh! Oh! Guys, that hurt. Okay, that was just a wahoo, bro. Here we go, here we go. Oh. How is that a bowfin? How is that only a bowfin? Oh! Oh, it's actually fighting. It's fighting with me. What the heck? Oh. You. Are you guys thinking, oh, I'd be so celebrating with it, right? Look at that. I already have it. So I don't care about it. I already have it. Oh, something's on. Something big's on. Or not. I don't know. Oh, it's just American Shad. I should have been Chad instead of Shad. Chad. Should have been Chad, not Shad. Oh my god. Oh, where is it? Bruh. Okay. Alright, guys. Well, that's it. I will. Are you kidding me? Oh, no. Alright, guys. I'll see you in the next one.